In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to a land bank account using gcash. This process is quick and straightforward, and I'll walk you through each screen so you know exactly what to tap and what to type. Before we begin, make sure your internet connection is stable and that your gcash balance is enough to cover the amount you want to send, plus any applicable transfer fees. Keeping your app updated also helps everything run smoothly. Start by opening your gcash app. Once you're on the home screen, look for the transfer option. On some devices, this may appear as bank transfer, but it takes you to the same place. Tap that to continue. Next, choose local banks. You'll see a list of supported banks. Scroll through the list or use the search bar if it's available and locate Landbank, sometimes labeled as Land Bank of the Philippines. When you see it, tap it to open the transfer form specific to that bank. Now you'll enter the transfer details. Type in the amount you want to send. After that, enter the recipient's full name exactly as it appears on their bank account. This helps prevent issues on the receiving side. Then, carefully input the land bank account number. Take a moment here to double-check every digit. Mistakes in the account number can cause delays or failed transfers. If you see an optional field for notes or a message, you can include a brief description, like payment purpose, to help the recipient identify the transfer. Some versions may also let you add an email address to receive a receipt, which can be useful for your records. When everything looks correct, proceed by tapping Send. You may be shown a confirmation screen summarizing the amount, the recipient's name, and the account number. Review it one more time and confirm. gcash will process the transaction and then display a confirmation page with a reference number. Save or screenshot that page so you have proof of the transfer. Most transfers to Landbank post quickly, often within minutes, but timing can vary depending on network conditions or bank schedules. If you encounter an error, check your connection, verify that you selected Landbank under local banks, and confirm the account number and amount are correct. For security, never share your PIN or any one-time passwords with anyone. Legitimate services will never ask you for those. And that's it. You've successfully sent money to a land bank account using gcash.